Sony and Honda announced on Friday that they're joining forces to develop and sell battery-powered electric vehicles. The two Japanese companies said in a statement they would form a joint venture this year and aim to begin selling the first model in 2025. Honda will be responsible for manufacturing the first model, while Sony will develop the mobility service platform. That's after Sony chief executive Kenichiro Yoshida announced plans in January to create a new company, Sony Mobility, saying it was exploring a commercial launch of electric vehicles. Although its once dominant position in consumer electronics has been eroded by Asian rivals like Samsung, Sony still has sophisticated technology in areas like sensors, which are critical to autonomous driving. The rapid shift to embrace EVs around the world creates opportunities for tech companies to join the auto market, since those vehicles are easier to manufacture than cars with internal combustion engines. But at the same time, tech companies face challenges of meeting rigorous safety regulations and making cars capable of withstanding difficult driving conditions.